The graph's price began in 2021 at $0.3840. CoinMarketCap is currently ranked number 56 in the world, with a live market cap of $1,880,596,818. The cost of the graph will rise to $1.18 in the first half of 2022, then rise by 79 cents in the second half to close the year at $1.41, a plus 300% increase over the current cost. According to the most recent data, the graph is currently worth 39 cents, and GRT is ranked number 56 in the entire crypto-biological system. The graph will start at $1.33 in 2023 and then rise to $1.59 in the first half of the year, and end at $2.14 in 2023. Graph GRT's value could reach $77 by 2030, according to projections. At the time of recording this video, the graph coin was worth 39 cents. According to Wallet Investor, the price of GRT coin could rise to $4.15 in 1 year and $14.95 in 5 years, which is a very optimistic forecast. GRT coin is expected to be worth $1.64 by the end of 2022 and $3.70 by the end of 2023. In addition, we anticipate that GRT will cost $18 in the next 5 years, by 2025. Assuming you are a crypto financial backer, and you are curious as to what the value of the graph will be at the end of 2022. What will the graph be worth in 2022? In any case, crypto value purchasers will be intrigued to learn more about this one-of-a-kind arrangement of indexers by paying for their metered use, demonstrating a model in which the laws of the organic market support the administrations provided by the convention. Because cryptocurrency markets can be extremely volatile, expectations should be kept in check. What exactly is the graph, GRT? The graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks such as Ethereum and IPFS, and it powers many DeFi and larger Web3 ecosystem applications. Anyone can create and publish open APIs called subgraphs that allow applications to query blockchain data using GraphQL. The decentralized network will be launched later this year, and there is a hosted service in production that allows developers to get started quickly building on the graph. The graph currently indexes data from Ethereum, IPFS, and POA, with more networks on the way. What is the graph's distinctive characteristic? The graph is an attempt to bring dependable decentralized public infrastructure into the mainstream. Participants use Graph token to ensure the economic security of the graph network as well as the integrity of the data being queried, GRT. GRT will be an Ethereum blockchain ERC20 token used to allocate network resources. Active indexers, curators, and delegates can earn money from the network based on how much work they do and how much GRT they own. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.